Deep in the heart of Rawang, just beyond the reach of Kuala Lumpur city noise, lies a place where time slows down. This is Kanching Waterfall, a sanctuary of mist, stone, and falling water. Kanching is famous for its 7-tier waterfall, each level offering its own unique charm. This lush tropical rainforest is a favorite weekend escape for campers, hikers, and natural lovers. Kanching Waterfall is not just a beautiful natural wonder, it's also a reminder of how close we are to nature, even just 30 minutes away from the busy city life of Kuala Lumpur. As you walk through the park, you will be surrounded by towering rainforest trees, the sound of rushing water, and the calls of local wildlife. Oh, another thing, don't be surprised if you see a few curious monkeys along the way. Just remember to keep your food secure. Kanching is more than a destination. It is an escape, a place to reconnect with yourself, with the forest, and with the wild heart of Malaysia. So, if you are visiting Malaysia and looking for a quick getaway into the jungle, pack your water shoes, bring some snacks, and experience the beauty of Kanching Waterfall for yourself.